Hey guys, welcome to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video, I'm going to show how to stop Spotlight search data on Mac from being shared with Apple. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. Spotlight is one of the absolute best features on the Mac, with amazing search abilities for both the local Mac and outside information. But, by default, your Mac search queries entered into Spotlight, Safari, Siri, Lookup, and Images are sent to Apple. While this information is anonymized so as not to be identified, and Apple says it's used to improve search results, many Mac users may not want this search information shared with Apple at all. Additionally, privacy enthusiasts may find these types of data collection efforts to be undesirable. To stop sharing search queries on Mac with Apple, open System Settings, then go to Spotlight. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of Spotlight Settings and find the setting for Help Apple Improve Search, and turn this off to disable the sharing of search queries from your Mac with Apple. With this feature off, you will no longer share search data from your Mac with Apple. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.